Hello, welcome, Yazoo. It's your girl, the artist, the creator, LR, Lovede Roberts. Thank you for showing your support. Let's tune in. Welcome to my universe. It starts now. Yazoo. Hey guys, let's not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Yazoo. Yazoo. Hello, welcome to MWMPO channel. Guess what I got? Another haul. Yazoo. It came. Yazoo. So, look what we got today in a recyclable, what's it say? Envelope made from recycled film. So, healthy for the environment. Yazoo. So, we're just gonna open this up. Yazoo. It came. Yazoo. And I got myself, first of all, so y'all checked out and y'all saw that I got my t-shirt from MWMPO, and now I have the bag from MWMPO.com, my merch stash apparel shop. Yazoo. So, oh my gosh, it's so huge. I love it. Jean MWMPO bag. Yazoo. So, check it out. Yazoo. Look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? What? Ooh, I feel nice. Yazoo. Oh, Yazoo. Look at that bag. That bag looks gorgeous. So let me fill it up. Let me fill up with stuff. Yazoo. So let's see what I can fill it up with. I got suntan lotion, sunscreen. Yazoo. I got my power banks. Yazoo. I got my umbrella. Yazoo. And my Vaseline. Yazoo. And my pack of gum. Yazoo. So, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yazoo. Look at that. I can fit more stuff in here. I mean, look at that. When I have a pocket. Oh, I have a pocket. Oh, I'm so excited. Yazoo. I have a pocket in here. So let me put my power banks in there, in the pocket. Yazoo. Is it big enough to hold it too? So let's see. Power bank 1. Yazoo. And it fits. Yazoo. Power bank 2. It fits. Look at that. It fits. Yazoo. This is epic. Oh my gosh. I'm in love. Yazoo. Look at me. I'm a queen. Look at me. I'm a queen. Look at me. I'm a queen with my MWMPO bag to be. I'm a queen. Yazoo. I'm a queen. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I love this. This is going to be great for when I go shopping and whatnot. Yazoo. When I want to wear all jean outfit. Yazoo. Like, Yazoo. This is hot. Yazoo. So, I'm going to wait to put this all together once I get my shoes. But stay tuned for that too. Yazoo, yazoo. That's coming up soon. Yazoo, yazoo. But yeah, this is nice. MWMPO. If you would like to get this bag, please go to MWMPO.com. Yes, yazoo, yazoo. The one and only. MWMPO.com. Yazoo, yazoo. But this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I like this a lot. This is hot. Yazoo, yazoo. Yazoo, yazoo. I'm feeling myself. This is a gorgeous bag. But yeah. I can't wait to go out in this. Yazoo, yazoo. Coos. I love it so much. Yazoo, yazoo. Stepping out. Bow. Yazoo, yazoo. All right. Later, bye. MWMPO. Till next time. Bye. Hey guys, let's not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Yazoo. Yazoo. Thank you for tuning in. Tune in to next time. Yazoo, yazoo. Later. Yazoo. 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 Yazoo, yazoo. 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 Later, bye. Yazoo.